What's the meaning of air support? Air support. Air support. Air support. Air support. Air support.
Air support refers to the use of aircraft, such as fighter jets or helicopters, to provide assistance in military operations. This can involve providing cover fire, transporting troops or supplies, conducting reconnaissance, or launching attacks on enemy positions. The use of air support can be a critical factor in the success of military missions, particularly in modern warfare where aerial technology has advanced significantly. With its ability to quickly reach remote areas and provide rapid firepower, air support is a valuable asset in any conflict.